To get into the test setup, there's two ways. I can swipe up on the screen, that will take me to the test setup, or simply press the test setup button, which is the most simple. We first go into the test setup screen that has everything you're going to need to know to run a pressure decay test, all in one screen. So if we start on the left-hand side, we're going to see we have a spot to set our test pressure, the goal of pressure, back pressure that's going to be put into the part, as well as a plus and minus tolerance. Now the fill step and the settle step are governed by these two values. They must pass within that window in order for the test to progress. Then we have the pressure decay, which governs the test step. So once we've gotten through the fill and settle, we then have another limit for the test step. On the right-hand side, we have the timers. Those can be set in seconds or those can be set in minutes. We have a selection now, we'll show you in a minute, where we can select that value to change it if we needed to run a longer test versus something that can be done in, say, 10, 20, 30 seconds. So we simply touch the value field. Any value field you see, you touch it and the appropriate keyboard or the numeric pad will pop up. And you simply enter the new value you want to put in and now it changes it. So we have the timers all set here. The vent step is not necessarily in the pass-fail of the test. It's more of a safety. At the end of the test, once we've pressurized the part, we're going to allow that air to go back inside the unit away from the operator so when they take it off, they don't get blasted with a foreign particle at them.